Area of a sector. Sector of a circle is the part of the circle enclosed by two radii of the circle and their intercepted arc, that is, arc between the two ends of radii. Area of sector of a circle is the area of the part of the circular region bounded by two radii and the arc. Observe the figures given below and answer the questions given below. Look at the figure 1. Number 1. Are the central angles same? Answer. Yes, the central angle is same. Number 2. Are the radius same? Answer. No, the radius is not same. Number 3. Are the area of the sector same? Why? Answer. The area of the sector is not same because the radii are not same. Look at the figure 2. Number 1. Are the central angles same? Answer. No, the central angle is not same. Number 2. Are the radius same? Answer. Yes, the radius is same. Number 3. Are the area of the sector same? Why? Answer. The area of the sector is not same because the central angle is not same. You infer from above that the area of the sector is depending on the central angle as well as the radius of the circle. Sector is the part of the circular region, so the ratio of the area of the sector A to the total area of the circle is the same as the ratio of the central angle of the sector to the measure of the circle. Therefore, area of the sector upon area of the circle is equal to theta upon 360. Therefore, area of the sector A is equal to theta upon 360 into area of the circle. Thus, area of the sector A is equal to theta upon 360 into pi into r square. Complete the following table. Answer. It is given that measure of arc is 360 degrees. Area of the sector is pi into r square. Thus, the ratio is pi into r square upon 360 degrees. It is given that measure of arc is 180 degrees. Area of the sector is half into pi into r square. Thus, the ratio is pi into r square upon 360 degrees. It is given that measure of arc is 90 degrees. Area of the sector is 1 upon 4 into pi into r square. Thus, the ratio is pi into r square upon 360 degrees. It is given that measure of arc is 45 degrees. Area of the sector is 1 upon 8 into pi into r square. Thus, the ratio is pi into r square upon 360 degrees. Think it over. If the measure of the arc is 9, what is the area of the sector? Answer. Area of the sector A is equal to theta upon 360 into pi into r square. Area of the sector decreases with decrease in the measure of the central angle. Keeping the ratio of the area of the sector A to the central angle, that is theta, is constant. So, area of the sector A varies directly as the corresponding central angle. Thus, area of the sector A is equal to theta upon 360 into pi into r square. Note, area of the corresponding major sector will be the difference in the area of the circle and area of the minor sector. Let us solve few examples. Example 1. A sector with circle of radius 10 centimeters has central angle 72 degrees. Find the area of the sector. Pi is equal to 3.14. Given radius of circle R is equal to 10 centimeters. Central angle theta is equal to 72 degrees. To find area of the sector A. Solution. Area of the sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi into r square. By substituting values, we get area of the sector is equal to 72 upon 360 into 3.14 into 10 square is equal to 2 into 314 upon 10 is equal to 62.8. Therefore, the area of the sector is 62.8 square centimeters. Example 2. If the area of a sector is 1/12 of the area of the circle, then what is the measure of the corresponding central angle? Given area of the sector is equal to 1/12 of the area of the circle. To find central angle of the sector. Solution. Therefore, area of the sector is equal to 1 upon 12 into area of the circle as it is given. Therefore, 12 into area of the sector is equal to area of the circle. Mark this as statement 1. Now, area of the sector is equal to theta upon 360 into area of the circle. Mark this as statement 2. Thus, from 1 and 2, area of the sector is equal to theta upon 360 into 12 into area of the sector. Therefore, theta is equal to 30. Therefore, the angle of the sector is 30 degrees. Example 3. In a clock, the minute hand is of length 14 centimeters. Find the area covered by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Solution. Note that 60 minutes the minute hand rotates through 360 degrees. Therefore, in 5 minutes it will rotate through an angle equal to 5 into 360 upon 60 is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore, central angle theta is equal to 30 degrees. Now, radius of the circle R is equal to length of the minute hand equal to 14 centimeters. To find area of the sector A. Therefore, area of the sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi into r square. By substituting the given values, we get area of the given sector A is equal to 30 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 14 square is equal to 1 upon 12 into 22 upon 7 into 196 is equal to 51.33. Therefore, the area covered by the minute hand in 5 minutes is 51.33 centimeter square. Example 4. The radius of the circle is 3.5 centimeters and the area of sector is 3.85 square centimeter. Find the measure of the arc of the circle. Given radius of circle R is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Area of the sector A is equal to 3.85 square centimeters. To find measure of the arc, that is theta. Solution. Area of the sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi into r square. By substituting the given values, we get 3.85 is equal to theta upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 3.5 square. Theta is equal to 3.85 into 360 into 7 upon 22 into 3.5 into 3.5. Therefore, theta is equal to 36. Thus, the measure of the arc is 36 degrees.